Hello everyone. Today we will see how to easily remove background in just 1 minute. At first, I have opened a picture in Photoshop. Now, let's select the photo model with the quick selection tool. After that, I will deselect the places where the background can be seen by holding the Alt key from the keyboard. Now, to make the hair and edges of the model beautiful, let's click on the Refine Edge tool and get a new black layer with smooth 20% and contrast 41%. Then I am adjusting the size of the brush. Now the most important thing is hair refining. I am carefully refining the hair and I am also refining the sides of the photo with the Refine Edge tool. If you click OK, our background removal is complete. Thank you.